Epicurean got started actually in 1997 as a skate park design and manufacturing company called True Ride. For the skating surface, we were using a raw material called Richlite, and that material had been used in the food service for, at the time, 50 years. It's actually sheets of paper that get pressed into a low-density composite paper material. My name is Dave Benson, and I am co-founder and one of the owners of Epicurean. There's actually two other, my brother Greg and also my business partner Tony Ciardelli. Over the course of about 10 years, we built about 450 skate parks all over the United States and several internationally. We have a lot of little cut-off and scrap from the construction of our skate parks. We made cutting boards and things like that for friends and family one year for Christmas, and that's kind of where the light went off and said, well, let's design a retail-based product line around Richlite. When we work on a product from concept to finished good, we work through the design phase. We will work with our partners like Food 52 and listen to what their needs are and maybe what their customer is looking for. A lot of times it's a collaborative effort. It then moves into production, and production then is looked at it from a sense of efficiencies, tooling, production jigs, how to we most efficiently produce that product. When we first started in the skate parks, we used to cut everything by hand and on our hands and knees. And then as True Ride evolved, we bought a CNC machine. And that really allowed us to kind of expand our horizons in terms of cutting shapes and things like that. And that's where we really cut. The first cutting board was made on a CNC machine. Products are then cut based on work order, and they move into our next production cell, which would be assembly. In that assembly cell, we do branding, where our logo and any branding is put on the board or kitchen tool, whatever it may be. And then from there it moves into its packaging phase and basically ships and out the door. Trying to be, I guess, a responsible manufacturer has always been a part of a philosophy within our business. Our pallets that we get in, we send those back to our suppliers. All the metal banding on it gets nipped up and recycled. Any plastic wrap gets recycled. Cardboard also all gets recycled. We also use recycled cardboard in our packaging. Well, Epicurean is located on the beautiful shores of Lake Superior in Superior, Wisconsin. This building, it's a 60,000 square foot facility. It was something that we bought and did extensive renovation on over the course of a year, where we put in a lot of natural daylighting. It kind of opens up the creativity, but it gives people a good place to come and work as well. We have used Richlite throughout everywhere. We have it on our conference room tables, on our desks and workstations. Richlite's also outside on the exterior of the building as cladding. We try to make a quality product that's well thought out and well designed, that's going to stand the test of time. We definitely want our customer, from the time they open the box to peeling the label off, that it's a good experience throughout. A lot of where we are today is really because of the team that we have with us and the people that have, I think, the same passion that we do, is to create a quality product. It's been pretty cool to see where the business has evolved from True Ride really starting as a skate park company and then evolving into doing kitchen and kitchen tools. I think for us it was really just a passion to really do something on our own and create a quality product that's going to stand the test of time.